And I think to answer your question, like, yeah, every single customer we talk to asks this. Like, aren't you going to be handing your data over to OpenAI, and then therefore anyone using ChatGPT will be able to access it? And so there's a number of different levels you can answer that question. And so it is therefore impossible for the public version of, ChatGPT to have access to any of your data. And then we have sort of various policies and assurances from the large language model vendor itself that they've made public, and basically need to abide by, because obviously for many companies, including sort of especially those whose kind of like competitive differentiation is their IP, whether it's a drug company or whether it's a finance company or whatever, this is the crown jewels, right, that we're talking about. And so if your system handles those crown jewels, then you have to be really sure that they're going to be safe.
And everybody goes, oh, well, they say they kind of roll their eyes and go, they say they won't use our data, but how do we know? How I look at it is that our incentives are aligned. I don't want you using it. And if one case came out where I had the settings configured correctly, we followed the best practice, yet my results still showed up in somebody else's output. If that happened with OpenAI, Google would exploit that. It would say, see, look what's happening over. You can't trust them. You can trust us. So I kind of see it. Our incentives are aligned. So therefore, you're going to do everything you can to protect my data.